Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce your eyes and the sharp lines hold your gaze. When you get a taste of the performance, you'll know dreams do come true. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, dual zone climate control, inductive device charging, and automatic transmission. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.